Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI MatePad T10s, and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the security, so let's tap on it. Now let's choose more settings, and as you can see on the second position we've got encryption and credentials, so let's enter. And at the very bottom of the list we've got delete all credentials option, so let's tap on it simply, tap on delete. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter it to confirm. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your HUAWEI MatePad T10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.